Grandma and Grandpa Thompson. Happy 16th birthday. We love you. To Ashley Wilson, good luck, Ashley Wilson. Have a great senior year. We are so proud of you, Mom, Papa, Mama. To the drumline from Richard's mom, you guys are awesome. Good luck. I'm proud of you all, and I love you, Richard. To Colton from Granddad and Grammy, good luck, Colton. Play your heart out. We love you. To Bam and Pat from Mama Vic. Callie wants to know where your contact is, Brittany. To Ginger Snarf from Almighty Seabass. Who? To Bobby from Kathy. I'm so proud of you. Good luck on your solo. To Bobby from Dad, Mom, and Jared. You make us proud. Play that flute loud and proud. To the entire Timberwolf band. Go Wolves from Miss Likens. To Shelby from Ashley. Did you brush your teeth today? To the band directors at Spring Valley High School. From a Spring Valley High School proud parent. You each work hard and have so much dedication to the program. We appreciate you so very much. The show this year is awesome. To Rachel McDowell, from your bigger little brother. Play, don't talk, and don't touch that cactus. To the tuba section from Tuba Mom. As always, play it loud and proud. So proud of each of you. To Ray Linton from the Swampski brothers. Take it away and remember, you're never fully dressed without a smile. To Rachel McDowell from Isaiah. I like trains. Play it loud. To Anthony from George. Looking good, Anthony. Keep playing and practice more. Love, George. To Anthony Reynolds from Mom and Dad. This is it, your last SPHS band competition. Hard to believe you are a senior. You have come a long way, kiddo, and we are so proud of you. Keep having fun and working hard. To Caleb Hurt from Dad, Mom, and Layton. Enjoy and play your best. Have a great senior year. We love you. To Tally from Normie. Good luck. Have fun your senior year. Love and miss you. To Ray Linton from Granddad and Grandma. Here's to a great year.
And now, under the direction of Joe Hart and Leanne Likens in West Boynton, performing their 2012 show, Julius Caesar, Spring Valley High School proudly presents your host band for the afternoon, the Spring Valley High School Timberwolf Marching Band. The Timberwolf Band is led on the field by field commanders Michaela Gilkerson and Mariah Dury. Color guard trainer is Marisa Richardson. Percussion staff members are Mike Stacy, Josh Reed, Nick Conley, James Hairston, Mason Bartlett, and Stephen Reed. Band announcer is Jason Likens. Are the judges ready? Drum majors Michaela Gilkerson and Mariah Dory. Is your band ready? You may take the field in exhibition.
Your host band for today is the Spring Valley Marching Timberwolves.